What if I told you the best days of your life may have already happened, and you missed them because you were too focused on what's next? Let that sink in. We're constantly sprinting towards some distant finish line. The dream job, the perfect body, the luxury car, the big house. We think happiness is waiting at the end of that race, but what if the race is the point? Let me take you back 2 years. It's 2:58 a.m. I'm sitting in my childhood bedroom, door locked, blinds shut, room lit only by my glowing gaming rig. Mountain Dew in one hand, scrolling through takeout apps for the 5th time that week. I weighed nearly 280 pounds. No job. Love life? Let's just say my most intimate connection was with my World of Warcraft guild. And every night I'd whisper to myself, one day I'll fix it all. I'll lose weight, get a job, meet someone, move out. Then I'll be happy. You ever told yourself that? Once I finally get there, then I'll be happy. Yeah, that day doesn't just magically show up. Because real happiness, it doesn't wait at the finish line. It sneaks into the smallest moments, moments we usually overlook. My turnaround wasn't some epic movie scene. It started with a single choice: water instead of soda, a 10-minute walk instead of 10 hours gaming, one job application per day. That's it. But each of those tiny wins, they felt like gold. My heart raced when I walked further than yesterday. I actually got excited clicking submit on job apps, even when no one replied. But the biggest lesson came from the place I thought was wasting my life: gaming. Fast forward just under 2 years, I dropped 92 pounds, had a solid job, moved out of my parents' house, started dating someone amazing, living the life I once only dreamed about. And yet, that same emptiness began to creep in again. Then it hit me. The joy wasn't in checking the boxes. It was in fighting for them, and in those early walks when my legs felt like jelly, in the awkward first dates where I could barely speak, in the rejections, the retries, the slow but steady progress. That was happiness, not the trophy, the training. Here's the truth no one's telling you. There is no final level, no perfect you waiting on the other side. Even the influencers with perfect abs and Bali sunsets, they're either chasing the next thing or feeling just as empty. So what's the answer? 2 things. Always have something to reach for. Learn a new skill. Fix your sleep. Cook something beyond instant noodles. Stop postponing joy. That voice in your head saying not yet is lying to you. The life you want, it's not some grand reveal. It's stitched into your daily habits, your quiet efforts, your hidden victories. So wake up tomorrow and start chasing growth, because that's where real happiness has always been waiting.